In our previous class, we talked about chemical bonding. Here are the example of which is taken from Y question 2011. And this example corresponds to question on electronic configuration, periodic table, and chemical bonding. Under this example, Y 2011, we have elements on the table and atomic number. We have elements V, W, S, Y, and Z. Under element V, we have 11. Under element W, we have 16. Under element S, we have 18. Under element Y, we have 19. Under element Z, we have 24. The question that is being asked, which of these elements belong to group 1? And which of these elements are noble gas? Which of these elements are colored compound? Which of the elements form an ion? And which of these elements react with water to liberate hydrogen? And which of the elements react with water to form alkaline solution? That is for A part. For the B part, they said group name of the elements in 2AI above. State the type of bond that exists in each of the following substances: magnesium oxide, ammonia, and iron. Question like this, for you to be able to understand the question, element is represented by a letter V, W, S, Y, and Z, and with the atomic number. Then, when solving this question, you have to give the answer based on the element given to you, based on the letter given to you, not the name of the element. Because some students do make mistake by giving the name of those elements rather than the letter representing the element. Example, we have element S, element V having atomic number of 11, which is V having atomic number 11. The first thing you have to do is to write the electronic configuration of that element, which is what? 281. We have element W. We have atomic number of 16, which is what? 286. Element S having atomic number of 18. S atomic number of what? 18, which is what? 288. Then element Y having atomic number of 19, which is Y atomic number of 19. We have 19 equals to 2881. Then element Z is a transition metallic element. It's a transition metallic element because they are partially filled with d plug orbital. Then element Z, which is 24, because of the what? A transition metallic element, the electronic configuration of the first 20 elements is that of a transition metal is a little bit advanced, unlike that of element 1 to 20. Here you have sodium, here you have sulfur, here you have argon, here you have potassium, here you have chromium. Because starting from element 21 we have scandium, 20 you have what? Titanium, 20 we have vanadium, 24 we have chromium. Chromium is the 24th element in the periodic table. Try to bring out this explanation in order for you to understand the question. You all know that sodium here belongs to group 1, sulfur there belong to group 6, argon there belong to group 8, potassium there belong to group 1, while chromium is found between group 2 and group 3 of the periodic table. It's found between group 2 and group 2 of the periodic table. Now they say which of the elements belong to group 1? Automatically, the elements that belong to group 1 are those ones that have one single electron in the outermost shell. Which of these letters have a single electron in the outermost shell? We have AI, we have V and Y. Belong to group 1. We have V and Y. You say which of these elements are noble gas? Elements that have what? 8 electrons in the outermost shell, because their inner and the outer shell is complete. We make them to belong to group 0. We have we have elements S. Element S belong to group. Element H are noble gas. Which of them are color compound? The elements that are color compound belong to element Z, which is found between group 2 and group 3. One of the major properties of this transition metal is that 1, they undergo variable oxidation state. 2, they are colored in nature. Because of the properties, we made it to be colored in nature. That is why elements Z are color compound. Say which of them form anion? The element that form anion, they are a non-metallic element. A non-metallic element form anion, while a metallic element form cation. A non-metallic element there as found in element W, which is what 286, because sulfur belong to group 6, which make it to form anion. So which of the elements react with water to liberate hydrogen? Elements that react with water to liberate hydrogen are found in group 1, which is element V and Y. Which is element V and Y. You say which of the following elements react with water to form alkaline solution? Elements that react with water to form alkaline solution are found in group 1, which is element V and Y. That is why they are called alkali metal, because when they dissolve water, they produce alkaline. Having tackled the question answer in A, let's move to question that is being asked in B part. In B part, they say group name of the element in A I above. With our B part, group name the element in A I above. The name of the group element A I above are called alkali metal, not alkaline metal. Alkali metal are group 1 elements are called alkali metal. Group 2 elements are called alkali earth metal. Group 3 elements have no common name. Group 4 they can be called semi-metals. Group 5 have no common name, but in higher level they are called pinacogen. Group 6 have no common name. In higher level they are called chalogen. Group 7 are called the halogen, while group 8 are called the noble gas. Here they say group name of the element in 2AI above. The name of the element is called alkali metal. BII says state the type of bond that exists in each of the following substances. Magnesium oxide. The bond that exists between magnesium oxide is called electrovalent bond, because in magnesium oxide it involves the transfer of electron between a metallic element and a non-metallic element. The metallic element there is magnesium, while the non-metallic element there is what? Is oxygen. Magnesium will donate 2 electrons in each atomos share to oxygen. The magnesium that donates electron to oxygen is called electron donor, while that of oxygen that accepts the electron is called electron acceptor. We have electron found MgO, we have electrovalent bond. Ammonia, under ammonia will have covalent bond, which involve the sharing of electron between 2 non-metallic elements. Then under ion we have a metallic bond. A bond that is formed between a metallic element. I hope with this explanation you'll be able to understand question on periodic table, question on electronic configuration, question on chemical bonding. In our next class, we'll try to give more example and assignment. Thank you. Welcome to Easy Pass tutorial. I hope you're able to subscribe for you to understand more things about Easy Pass tutorial. Thank you.
Good evening.